order to stop them from calling the loan, they asked her for $20,000.
What's the income?
$1,850. It's under market value because she's renting it to a friend.
Real estate is a business and they're losing money by having their friend in there under market rents.
It's a problem, you know, but this situation, it's hard.
They need to get them out there and get a real tenant in there so they can pay off their loan.
It's hard to kick out her friend and increase the rent. That's killing her right now.
Are you in the business to save? This is the problem. It's a $220,000 loan amount. The lender is trying to screw her so bad by charging her $30,000 to extend her loan. She was at a 9% interest rate 2 years ago. They wanted to call the loan, and in order to stop them from calling the loan, they asked her for $20,000.
What's the property worth?
$400,000. Oh, it's $220,000.
Is it rented?
Yeah.
What's the income?
$1,850. It's under market value because she's renting it to a friend.
Does she have money on hand?
She can. Yeah.
She can?
She does. We have to be fair. It's a direct borrower.
Is there an appraisal or?
Online, it's saying anywhere from 300 to 350. It just depends what you're looking at.
It's not good. In that area, like the best we're gonna get is like 55-60%.
I told her I might need to bring $5,000-$10,000 to the table just to get. And she was like, okay, that's better than $30,000.
What's her credit?
640.
Oh yeah, let's see everything.
Yeah. So far, I just asked for a GSCR document, just lease agreement, bank statement, just to see if she has some money in the bank.
It's just not good when we're refinancing a hard money loan into another hard money loan.
What?
It's like, what if she gets in the same situation again a year from now?
If they're going from hard money to hard money, they're just going to keep getting in trouble. It's an expensive loan to pay off. They got to get out of that somehow.
This scenario happened to me as well.
A, it's a second position loan. It's a very high risk. B, there's hard money first. And the hard money first is kind of like destroying the deal. If it was conventional, I told you I would do it.
Yeah, I know.
The guy that you're talking to, he has experience in hard money?
The lender?
The lender.
Yes.
He has the experience.
Yes.
He knows it's hard money first.
Yes. So usually it's very, very hard because I try to find a lender that can do second on hard money. It's impossible. There is maybe 5% to find someone who can do it, and the rates are extremely high.
It's a situation that she thought was fixed.
Like, why was she not able to refinance like DSCR?
Because she had the loan for X amount of time. She's going to send me her mortgage statement. She was supposed to be in the loan on a fixed rate, like literally a fixed period for what she thought was 3 to 4 years.
There's something that we're missing. She's got it rented. 640 isn't that bad of a credit score. You can DSCR that.
DSCR, it's all about this ratio. And if this ratio does not work, you can't do the loan.
Well, it's hard to kick out her friend and increase the rent. That's killing her right now.
Real estate is a business and they're losing money by having their friend in there under market rents.
It's a problem, you know, but this situation, it's hard.
They need to get them out there and get a real tenant in there so they can pay off their loan.
If her friend can go on the investment with her and get a new lease agreement, because they live right by Coachella, that's kind of where the moneymaker is at for them.
I think it depends near like Indio and Palm Desert. There's some really nice modern homes.
I used to go to Coachella, and I know it's a hot area.
But I think where that split is, where the freeway is, if you go towards like Joshua Tree and 29 Palms, you get a lot of Airbnbs out there.
But it seems like Omer tried to save this deal.
Well, let's look at the property right now.
You're not gonna like the property because it's a little old.
Listen to this guy.
But they're old photos.
Oh God, it looks like a shack. How many square feet is that? Bro.
2.4 acre lot, 900 square foot home. Are you in the business to save? I'm in the business to save. Come on, it was bought for $40,000 in 1989.
If the listings online think it's worth around 300K, there's no way it's 400K. She owes 220. Let's say it's worth 300, dude. No way. Does she own other properties? We're at 60%. She's gonna get 180K. She's short 40.
Zillow saying 350.
There's a lot of shacks out near Joshua Tree.
Zillow saying 350. We're at 63% LTV if this is right.
That's a shack.
Just look on Zillow, like $100,000, literally like a shack, just 4 walls, empty, no drywall here. Terrible.
I'm trying to give her the benefit of the doubt.
I would love to save someone too, but I would just see if she owns other real estate.
To cross collateralize it?
Yeah, that's the only way. At best, someone's going to value this at 300K. I think we should stop talking about this deal until we get the docs from them. She's got to have some other real estate, man. I just don't think anyone's going to value that at more than 300K. The borrowers inherited the property. It's been in default. Yeah, I'm concerned about the value. It's not 400K, that's for sure.
I don't think it's a good property.
They're paying $1,800 a month for a 900 square foot home.
I hear the desperation, and that's why I feel bad. I just want them to at least try.
Yeah, Omer likes, saving properties. Especially likes helping people who inherit properties.
We want to buy this property and own it for ourselves, for Airbnb.
Do you want to buy this property? Would you want to buy this property? No. This guy sold it to either his wife or sister or someone related.
Sounds like
So this is inheritance.
daughter, son.
Whoa, this is transferred between 3 people in the last 3 years. This is what we call in hard money a hairy file.